Washington makes starting an LLC feel light. Then it stacks rules, filings, and costs on you. Quietly, over time. That's the part people don't plan for. I'm Bethany from Biz Builders. And if you're starting an LLC in Washington in 2026 without a lawyer, this is the reality you need to understand up front, because Washington isn't hard at the beginning. It's heavy after. Why Washington feels friendly at first. Washington's startup process is smooth. Online filing, clear forms, fast approval. So most founders think, nice, that was painless. But Washington isn't a file once and relax state. It's a maintenance state. The heavy follow-up part. Here's what Washington quietly expects from you. Ongoing state filings, accurate public information, business license renewals, staying synced with multiple systems, and none of this feels urgent on day one. But it adds up in time, money, and attention. How people feel it later. This is usually how it hits. A renewal notice you didn't budget for, a license issue blocking something simple. Extra steps just to stay active. Confusion about which agency wants what, and suddenly running the business feels heavier than starting it. That's Washington's trade-off. The correct way, very short. If you want to stay ahead in Washington, think beyond filing. 1. Choose your business name. 2. Appoint a registered agent with a physical Washington address. 3. File your certificate of formation. 4. Get your EIN. 5. Set up Washington business licensing correctly. 6. Track renewals and ongoing filings. 7. Open and maintain your business bank account. Washington rewards organization, not speed. Why this costs time and money if you ignore it when follow-up is missed. Things slow down. Costs stack quietly. Small issues block big moves. And fixing it later always takes more effort than staying ahead. Why I don't DIY Washington anymore. That's why I recommend Taylor Brands for Washington. Not because filing is hard, but because ongoing management is where people fall behind. They help with registered agent filing, EIN, licensing guidance, compliance reminders, banking prep. So the heavy follow-up doesn't catch you off guard. Cost, no hype. If you want this handled properly without guessing, I've put the link in the description. Through our partnership, you can start for $0 plus Washington state fees. Same filing cost, less long-term friction. Final line. Washington makes starting an LLC easy. Staying on top of it is the real work. Plan for the follow-up, and the state won't wear you down later. I'll see you in the next one.